enjoy most about my Viking double wall ovens, first of all, I didn't realize just how amazing an amazing oven can be. I think that I had worked again for years with this tiny little doll oven that I had that came with the house. It was just, and it was convection, but there was always a hot spot in the oven and you always had to go in and rotate things or what. These ovens heat evenly, quickly, like how fast they heat up is absolutely amazing. I bake a lot and I love making pizza with my son, for example, and putting like a baking stone in this. Oh my gosh, you know, what used to take hours to heat up takes a fraction of that time now. And just how evenly everything bakes. Plus the space. I love the size. I know that there are lots of different options for ovens, and that was something that really drove me towards Viking, was the space that is allowed. You can fit nice big sheet pans in there, and that was a big plus for me. What I enjoy most about my Viking microwave drawer is the space-saving aspect of it. I think it's so cool because, you know, for years I've always had a microwave that sits up on the counter, and that's a lot of counter space. And so to have it underneath the counter, I mean, first of all, it just looks really cool, but it also works phenomenally and doesn't take up valuable counter space.